Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, but I just wanted to hop on today and show you guys my newest bag to my collection. This is a Gingham Be Sporty by GGB that I had, I guess, altered and created into a Gingham Bloom Sporty, and I adore this bag at the moment. I've used it consistently since I got it. I just love these color combinations together. So what I ended up doing with this particular bag is I bought it off the buy sell trade and I sent it away to my dear friend, and I will put her link down for her Facebook page in the description box. And what I also did is send her a Black and Bloom Be Light, because I wasn't quite sure, what I was going to do with the Be Light. And what we ended up doing is using the Be Light to create some Black and Bloom accents on the Gingham Be Sporty, and I just think it's awesome. GGB should make this, I swear. It would blow up on their sales. So as you can see, there's the Black and Bloom flap here. You still have the purple lining underneath, and she also made some custom straps, pads for the seatbelt straps, and got the gingham on one side and the Black and Bloom on the other. So that was really cool. And she also did alter it with the zip opening here underneath the flap, as well as the larger zip mesh pocket. So I'm just going to show you how I have this packed. I do have it packed for just one child. I find the Be Sporty works best for either just one younger child or a younger child and maybe an older sibling, because it isn't the roomiest of bags, I'll be honest, but I do really love it for those purposes. And for me, that's all I need it for, because a lot of my kids are older now. So there is a zip, a sideways pocket in here, and I just have a mini wipe pouch, my antibacterial wipes. Now I will say that the zippers on this bag are a little bit bizarre, okay? Because so I have a Super Toki Be Sporty, and it has the black zippers, and those are the smoothest ever. They're like the Onyx collection zippers. These ones aren't the same. I don't know. I don't know why, but they feel a little bit flimsier, I will be honest, as far as the zippers goes, especially in the bottle pockets. But anyways, so we'll keep going. So in this mommy pocket here, you do have the beautiful, I love this magenta lining on this print. I just think it's gorgeous. And you do have the black little zipper pull here. And in this back zip pocket, I just have my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip gloss and such in there. And I also have some lens wipes just stuck in the front here. And then there is a mesh pocket here in the mommy pocket. I have my iPhone 10. Let's pop that out real quick. And the wallet I'm using at the moment is a small set piece from the iconic 2.0 set, B set. And in here I actually have a Country Road card holder, which works great for all my essential cards. And I am actually using an NCO coin purse, which I do sell at Zarame Boutique. And I thought I'd give it a go, because this actually just has some coins back here in a little zip, as well as some notes in this bit, and these are all my punch cards for coffees. So this actually fits really, really well in a small set piece, and I find it's better than the GGB coin purses, just because it's rounded on the edge there. And then my Country Road wallet fits great. Now on the side here, I do have, this is a fob actually that I made myself, and these are silicone beads and a silicone feather, and I'm actually going to start making these and maybe putting them up for sale on Zarame Boutique. Not designed for chewing or teething, these particular ones. They're just for decoration, but I love the feel of the silicone beads. I just think it's really nice, and it's really light. It doesn't pull down the bag like, say, regular beads or metal do. So that's just popped on there, and I thought that looked really pretty with the print, and it's on the D-ring here as well. So in this bottle pocket here, I actually do have a thermos funtainer. See what I mean by the zippers? You kind of and then on the other side here, I actually popped in my wipe pouch into that pocket, because I only needed one bottle today, so that was very easy to access. Now there is a grab handle on the Be Sporty, and there are seatbelt straps that come with it, and I have them custom covered with a little bit of memory foam padding in here. These are detachable as well. There is a large slip pocket back here that a change pad came with, but that actually got used to make these straps. And oh, in here I have, I have the the messenger strap. I forgot to take that out. So that's how the messenger strap, it does come with the gingham little pad on there. Don't really use those though with the Sporty. And there is a tech pocket back here, and in here I actually have my coin purse in rose colored glass with my hairbrush and hair ties and such. And this of course was custom made with the Black and Bloom. So this is a flap. There's a magnetic closure right here. So there is a zip opening here that she put in for me. She basically took off the zipper off the top, which I really like actually not having this zipper. It's so much easier. And she used the zipper and put a little opening right here. And it's small, but it actually does help you get into the bag a whole bunch better than when the zipper was on the top there. So on the other D-ring here, I have my NCO keychain attached. And we will be getting these back in stock at Zara Boutique very soon. It's on the way, and these are fantastic. These were really, really popular when I got my first order, so I had to order a whole bunch more. I do have a lanyard on here that my friend who did this actually made for me as well, so that's really cute. And then just popped in the middle here, I have a cardigan for my 2-year-old. There is a zip pocket back here, but for some, I don't know what's going on with the zip pocket. I don't know if it's deformed on this bag, but I can't get anything in there. It's not actually, it's really weird. I'm not sure what's up with that. I don't know if maybe when the alterations were getting done, somehow they're stitched in there. I don't know, but it doesn't matter. All right, now what I have in here first is my 12 little large pouch from the trio pack, and I am getting these. These are coming. I just had a delayment in shipment, but this, I really like the material, and this is just my nappy needs. So I've got 2 size 5 nappies, a light change pad from Next Y Base, and a coin purse with disposable baggies. And that is really nice material. I just love them. That slips really nicely in there. And I also have a play pack that I brought with just some little silly scent crayons, and a play pack that I actually got from Amazon, and some stickers and things for my daughter to play with while we're waiting for breakfast. There is a large mesh pocket in the back here now that was put in there. The long mesh pocket was removed, and this one was added in with the zip closure. So you could put all sorts of things back there. You could put, oh gosh, paperwork back there, or spare clothes, or nappies. I just didn't use it today, but it is really, really handy. I'll just kind of turn the bag around so you can see a little bit better. So there are 2 mesh pockets in the Be Sporty, and here I have a small set piece in chrome. Now I've made this more into a med kit because of what happened to my daughter at the bowling alley. She fell over onto the ball return and gouged her chin out. So after that happened, I really kind of rethought my med kit situation. Shame on me for not, I mean, I had band-aids when it happened, but poor thing. Okay, so then I also have some hand sanitizer as well in there. Let's take that with me, that's lavender. And then the other pocket I just have an It's Ritzy snack bag with some peanuts and nuts, nut mix. So that's what that looks like inside. And I do really like the Sporty, as I said, for one child mainly, or one and an older. But it is a really, really nice bag, and I really like these colors at the moment. It's winter here, so it makes me feel a little bit, I don't know, cheerier, but still kind of matches the feel of the season, if that makes any sense. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and please leave me a comment below if you have any questions. And I'll see you next time for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.